Tenali Raman Stories. The King's Face. Tenali Raman came to the court one day, and to his utter surprise, he saw the king giving each courtier a bag of gold coins. All the courtiers looked happy as they took the money. The king announced, "You have to spend all this money within a week's time. The unspent money will have to be returned to the royal treasury." They all shouted with joy, "Thank you, Your Highness." Their joy was short-lived, for the king said, "However, you must see my face before you buy anything with this money." The courtiers did not know what to do. They wanted to spend the money, but they could not. How could they come to see the king's face every time when they went to buy something? They could not disturb the king every time they wanted to buy something. He would get angry. Some courtiers felt that the king had kept this condition to make sure that none of them could spend the money. When 1 week was over, all of them came to the court. The first thing the king asked was, "What did you buy with the money I had given you?" All the courtiers looked at each other. They were unhappy as they had not been able to buy anything with the money. The courtiers came one by one and returned the bag of gold to the king. They said, "We could not buy anything, because how could we see your face every time we went for shopping?" When Tenali Raman came to the court, the king asked him, "Are you not returning the money?" Tenali Raman replied, "I have bought many things and I spent all the money on the first day itself." The courtiers thought that the king would be angry because Tenali Raman had spent all the money without seeing the face of the king. An angry courtier remarked, "Did the king go with you to the market? Is that how you saw his face?" Tenali Raman replied, "The king did not have to be there. On every golden coin there's a face of the king. I saw that and bought things." "Thank you, my lord. I have bought many things and my family is very happy and thankful to you." Pleased with Tenali's clever thinking and wit, the king gave him another bag of coins as reward. End of the story. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe.